Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let's draft this beautiful queen Anne neckline. So the measurement you need is your shoulder measurement, your bust measurement, waist measurement, and the full length of the top. This is my pattern paper. It's on fold. Can you see? So I will draw a line to represent my shoulder line. So this is my shoulder line. I'm going to draft my basic bodies. Then we are going to alter the neckline to Queen Anne neckline. So this is my shoulder line. Take this to be my bust line, and this is my half length line, which is like my waistline. So the next thing will be for me to impute shoulder measurement. Shoulder I'm working with is 15 inches. 15 divided by 2, that gives me 7.5. Then the neck I'm using, I want to use 3 by 3. I'll slope my front shoulder by 1 inch. I'll connect the line. Then armhole measurement of 7 inches. I'm sorry that my camera did not capture the process of drawing my armhole curve. If you don't know how to do that, you can watch my video on how to draft your basic bodies. Basically what I did was just for me to draw my chest line at the point of the 7 inches, and then I impute my bust measurement, divide by 4, and I connected from that point of bust measurement to my shoulder slope, and I went ahead to impute my waist measurement. So for me to get that, I'm going to measure my bust span measurement, divide by 2. So the bust span I'm working with is 7. When I divide by 2, that is 3.5. I mark same on my bust line. I'll connect. With that intake of 1 inch here, I'm going to divide them into ½ inch on both sides. So I'm taking ½ inch that intake on both sides. Can you see? That is my dart. So I'm going to impute my bust dart now. I'm going to make use of 2 inches. Then I will measure this to know where I have. So this 8.5 divided by 2, 4.25 here. So for the Queen Anne neckline, I'm going to use 1.25 inch. You can decide to use 1 inch, you can decide to use 2. It depends on what you want. Then I will slant it to my neck lead. Can you see? I'm going to add my seam allowance. I'm about to add here if you are using sleeve. I will extend my bust dart. And I'm going to trace my darts. So I'm going to cut my cutter now. So this is the final outcome. Can you see how it looks like? Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so that once I upload new sewing tutorial, you'll be first to be notified. See you on our next tutorial. Bye bye.